Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris. I ordered out at a very fancy Italian restaurant. I ordered me some Chicken Alfredo Florentine with tomatoes and stuff over top. No, I didn't. I made it myself. Up next on Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Okay guys, I've got my Alfredo sauce all done. My pasta is at a rolling bubble. This dish is so simple, and I've got my packet of chicken breast. Remember that stuff I got from the food pantry? Well, this is it. Yes, a gourmet meal from the food pantry. Oh, okay. I'm going to get my spinach, grill it, or saute it with my chicken breast with a little butter and garlic, and serve this up. Be right back. I told you this meal is so simple, it's stupid. Gonna throw in your chicken meat. That's how it's gonna look. Kind of like tuna fish all mushed up. But don't worry about that. It will brown, the liquid will cook out, and it will look good. All right, now that meat has started to brown up a little bit, guess what you do? Throw in your spinach. Oh yeah. Let this cook down. Put some garlic right in it. All right. Saute that down and around. Break up the spinach as much as you can. When this is done, we put it together and plate it. All right, it's done. First, pasta, spinach and chicken. Oh yes. One-handed again. Alfredo sauce. Diced tomatoes. A little more Parmesan cheese over top, with some parsley as a garnish. And ta-da! Guys, did you see how easy that was? And I didn't even break a sweat doing it. Ah, yes. Chicken Alfredo Florentine. Now I know you're wondering, oh, he didn't show us how to make the Alfredo sauce. Well, I'm being such a stinker. Okay, you gotta tune in to my sauces video, okay? It shows how I make all my sauces, and it's really fun, it's really cool. I know. Till next time, big love from Uncle Chris. Hello, Nina. Ooh.